Hey, this is just a brief little thing about how we do printing overdue notices each morning. Um, and first of all, you have to get into workflows. And once you're in there, you want to look for either the icon with the pile of pages with a check mark on it for finished reports. If you don't see that, you can go to Command up on the top menu, All Wizards as the choice. Then this thing pops up here, says Select Wizard, and then you just want to go to Finished Reports under F, and then you just say OK, and then it gives you a list, and the report you want is the most recent first, last overdue report, and it should be with today's date in the early morning. Then what you're going to do is click on Print. Then you get a number of choices here. You should be able to leave everything as it is, except you want to change the question under for which recipients, change it to only those with no email. Then click OK. Then it should automatically come up with a program that prints it, and then that should just come out the printer. And that's something that we put together using Vim, which is an editor, and we had to do it this way because the page breaks don't work with Word and other programs like that. But as far as doing this, that should automatically work on all computers. You should let a supervisor know if it's not. But when you're done sending them to the printer, which is what we just did, you want to go back to this list here. You want to make sure you've still got that same report selected there. Then you want to do View. Then you want to do View Log, and View Log under All for that. So say OK. Then it's going to pop up in Notepad or WordPad, and it's going to give you this whole lengthy spiel here. What you're looking for is what is probably going to be the lowest number. You see all this list of a log of what it's doing and what results it's getting. The lowest number is probably the one you're looking for, and that is, you're looking for a user records process, because that's the number of users that we did overdues for, and that's 49. So then you just want to take that, go over to where we keep the log of overdues, and you just write that, find the date there. Under total, that's going to be the total. For the ones mailed, which means we only mail the ones where there's no email. So for the ones mailed, when you put together the envelopes and stuff, you just need to count them and do a number for that. And then you're just going to go get the overdue notices, which should just be sitting in the printer. And there's paper jam this time, but they should be right there. So anyway, normally they're gonna come out. In this case, I'm having to fix a printer issue, but normally they'll just be here. See, they're coming out right now. And I'm not going to show the names of the people, but it's got the date, the library's address here, and then the info to send to the patron. And then we just take these, fold them, put them in envelopes, put postage on them, and send them out. And that's pretty much it for overdues.